Hi, I have a special video today. So I'm standing under the Viaduct, Velika Loka. So we're going to film some trains going over it. So a little bit about it. It's about 162 meters long. It has altogether 10 arches. Its height it's about 20 meters. So between the arches is about 12 meters. You can see the perspective of my car and the arches. So it was built in 1894, but in September 1943, between the World War II was destroyed. So they started rebuilding it later. They also used the old foundation and old parts of the bridge that look the same. So it's almost the same. The difference is it's built by concrete, as you can see. It was built by the concrete. The first one was built with the brick. So we're gonna film some trains going over it.